amazing. Our boys ran with so much speed and spirit and joy. Next up, we have the LKG girls running race. Okay, so on the first track we have Trisha Kutal from Blue House. On the second we have Vedanti Bujbal from Blue House. On the third we have Krishvi Sharma from Green House. On the fourth we have Adira Maru from Green House. On the fifth we have Aradhya Kothavale from Orange House. On the sixth we have Jinal Birade from Orange House. On the seventh we have Navya Kaushik from Maroon House. And on the 8th track, we have Shravani Pandit from Maroon House. That was amazing. Good job.